What's up, YouTube? Let me know if you made some money with me today. The stock market absolutely boomed today. So family, if you haven't already, please make sure to hit that like button. Also, hit that subscribe button. Get this video to 1,000 likes, and also turn my post notifications so you're notified every time I post. But family, like I said, we got 3 big money plays to go over today. So hopefully you're here with me and ready to make this money tomorrow. Let's go ahead and get right into it. Okay guys, first off, we got ticker symbol NVDA. Nvidia stock sits at $123.41, sitting up 1% on the day, and on the after hours it is down 1.17%. Family, Nvidia has been providing excellent opportunities to buy the dip. Take a look at this. Nvidia shot back down to nearly 118 and we scooped it up on the way down. This was an absolutely perfect dip buy opportunity, and if it keeps going down to that 118 level, I'm going to be absolutely looking to get in, because of the fact that if you look at the week chart, guys, take a look at this. Okay, this is where the technical analysis comes in. Nvidia has been dipping down to 116 right here, 117 right here. Take a look at this, guys. This has been an ongoing pattern. When they go ahead and shoot Nvidia through the roof and then dip it back down, that's where we go ahead and enter in on these dips. This has been a fire sale, and ever since this pattern, as of this week, it always sells off in the after hours. So I want you guys to be aware of that pattern. This is a huge big money play. So guys, I want you to take a look at this. Okay, take a look at the February 7th. If this one goes down to 118 again, take a look at the 120 calls that are sitting at 780. And like I said, guys, I like to buy time because this allows us to not get theta decayed as much, because theta plays a huge role when it comes to the option contract. So guys, 120 call for Nvidia February 7th is a big watch for me. And also, if Nvidia breaks below 116, I'm going to be looking for the downside on puts. So keep this one on your radar. Nvidia has been showing tremendous dip buying opportunities every time it goes to the 118s, 117s, and 116s. So that's a big money play. Let's go ahead and move on to the next stock, guys. Next up, we got ticker symbol AAPL. Apple stock has hit $245 in the after hours. They've recently just had their earnings. They nearly missed, but they had great guidance once again. So absolutely phenomenal. Congratulations if you guys got into Apple with me. This one has been paying. We got a little fake out right here down to 233, but shot back up 10 points. So this is where the stock market shines, guys. On good guidance, this will run hard. Okay, so Apple has been a huge money maker in the past week. Congratulations if you got into Apple. As of right now, no plays on Apple except for taking those profits. Remember, guys, once a stock goes up, you got to go ahead and secure those profits along the way. Okay, if you're not taking profits, then you're probably being greedy. So make sure to take profits along the way. I can't tell you when to take profits, but that's what you should be doing along the way. Take profit, guys. Don't let a green trade go into a red trade. Okay, next up, guys, we got ticker symbol SOFI. Dip buys have been playing out beautifully for ticker symbol SOFI. SoFi Technologies, guys, is sitting at 1643 right now. High of day sitting at 1663. So ever since their earnings report, okay, it has dipped quite a bit, but this has been an excellent zone to add in on the dip. So I've been enjoying SoFi, guys. Next up, we got ticker symbol TSLA. This one was all throughout the place today. Okay, you can see that earnings shot this one up nearly 5% pre-market, and then it dipped to the 380 levels. Okay, 380s is what I like, 360s is what I like too. Then we rebounded back to 406 and we closed off at 401. So if Tesla goes back down to 386 again, okay, if it goes down to 380s, I'm going to be looking into buying the $400 calls. Okay, take a look at this right here. The $400 calls right here is sitting at 660 and the lows were 350. So if you got in on the dip, right, if you did get in on the dip, you would be up almost 100% on these contracts. So once again, guys, I'm going to be looking for Tesla when it goes at the 380 levels. Okay, that's a huge dip buy zone for me. That's what I'm looking at in for Tesla. Once again, great earnings for Tesla. Next up, guys, we got ticker symbol MSFT. So they had great earnings, yet they dipped back down, guys. Look at this. This is what I call a dead cat balance for the bigger tech stocks. So Microsoft is down 6% as of today. After hours, it's slowly recovering back up nearly 1%, but you could see the low of day is $415. Once again, guys, I see this as a major overreaction to a sell-off. Take a look at the month chart. Every time we've been around this 412 level, 416 level, we've been climbing back up. So this one is going to take a little bit of time. That's why I'm looking at February calls. But once again, amazing buy the dip opportunity on MSFT, Microsoft stock, guys. I'm going to be looking at trade options. I'm going to be looking at these calls right here. The 420 calls are sitting at 415. Okay, these are half down right now. These are on a discount, so I've been loving that one. Okay, next up, guys, we got ticker symbol AMD. This one has been on fire today, guys. AMD went red to green in today's session. Looking for this one to continue to the 120 level. Okay, we've been down here for a week. We bounced off 114, but it's time to go ahead and claim 120 back, guys. Okay, for AMD, I'm going to be looking at the 120 calls for February 7th, priced in at $5 a contract right now. So that's a play for AMD. But if this does break below 118, I'm going to be looking for that put side on AMD. Okay, so those are my two plays for AMD. Let's go ahead and move on to the next stock. The next stock is ticker symbol GOOGL. Guys, this stock has been absolutely killing it in the market. This one ran up to 201, shot back down to 198, but has continued on its way towards that $202 level, guys. The $202 level is an insane level of support for ticker symbol GOOGL. Take a look at the week chart, guys. We're up 1.59% in the past week, but if you look at the monthly chart, okay, we are facing major resistance at this $200 mark. So if Google can claim this $200 mark, sit right here, we're on our way to 202 and then 205. So major watch on these options for Google, guys. I'm watching this $205 call sitting at $5 a contract once again. But if we dip below 200, I'm going to be looking at the $200 put that sits at 620 currently. But major bullish news for Google now that it is above its resistance. Okay, this is where old resistance starts to turn out as old support, if you guys heard time and time again. Next up, guys, we got ticker symbol STSS. So this one is down 1 month, it's down 80%. On the week, this one's down 76% in the past week, but we had a nice recovery on today's session. So I'm going to be looking for, once again, if this one dips down, I'm going to be looking to load the boat on this penny stock. This one had an offering recently, and I love to play offering bounces. So this one I'm going to be watching, guys. Take a look at this ticker symbol SPGC. Saks Parente Golf Club had a massive move for today. We got 57% up today's session. On the week, this one is up 162% in the past week. If this one dips down to 50 cents, I'm going to be looking to buy a dip for a potential bounce, but it's been very volatile as of lately. You can see the supports, resistances, dip down back to support, back to resistance. So this one has been a fire one on the technical. So major watch for tomorrow as well. Next up, we got ticker symbol UPS, guys, one of the backbones of this economy. They recently had earnings and they talked about being away from Amazon. Okay, Amazon's 50% of their client database, but that led UPS to take a major hit. Yet again, I think that this is an overreaction. So if UPS goes down to 110 tomorrow, I'm going to be looking to buy the dip, as well as I'm going to be watching it to push back up to 120. If you take a look at the month chart, UPS has a major move down. We haven't seen these levels in the past 5 years. Take a look at that, guys, towards 2020. Okay, so major watch on this. I think this is a overreaction as caused by the earnings, but once again, great zone to be looking to buy the dip. So I'm gonna be watching UPS very closely. And guys, we got ticker symbol MRNA. This one has been on fire on this week. We're up 6% in the past week. If this one goes above this $42 resistance, I'm gonna be looking at the $45 calls, guys. Take a look at this. Okay, I'm gonna be looking at something. Actually, I'm gonna be looking at the $42 calls sitting right here at nearly $2 a contract. Okay, this one has been on fire. Looking for a pre-market break and go. Okay, I want a break and go on Moderna. This one has been dipping to support at $40, but ever since then it's been rocketing back up. So I want a continuation play on Moderna. Next up, guys, we got ticker symbol BABA. Alibaba's up 6% today. Absolutely beautiful move for today. If we can continue this one tomorrow, that would be amazing. We're gonna continue this if this passes 103.50. Okay, look for 103.50. If this one breaks below 100, I'm gonna be looking to take puts on this for a temporary movement. But as of so far, we have 45 million volume on the stock. Absolutely bullish. You could see we broke pre-market highs, then rocketed up to 100, guys. Take a look at this. This is life-changing gains right here, up $400 each contract, guys. This is amazing. I'm gonna be watching this for a close watch on tomorrow's session, okay? And next up, guys, we got ticker symbol ALLR. I'm looking for some sort of PR on the stock, but if I don't get the PR on the stock, we're gonna be bouncing, okay? I'm gonna be looking for something else. These dips have been paying off in the stock market. Let me know if you guys got in on any fire sales in today's session, guys. We do videos just like this every day, so if you guys like this one, make sure to check out the other one. Click right here. Make sure to hit that like button, hit that subscribe button. And guys, remember to always manage your risk. Look at the technicals before entering a trade. These are all, but that's all I'm watching for tomorrow. So if you guys like this video, once again, please make sure to hit that like button. Please make sure to hit that subscribe button. Remember, most people see the end result, very few consider the journey. But that's all for now. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Peace.